Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I recycled my old plastic utensil holder with a planter. So I had this old plastic utensil holder which I stopped using in my kitchen. So in spite of throwing it, I thought of recycling it into a planter. So first of all, I painted it with white color. After that, I again painted it with blue color. If you wish, you can paint it with any color of your choice. Then I drew some stars on it with the help of the marker and filled these stars with white color. If you wish, you can draw any other design and use any color of your choice. Like I have used white color. And see, this old plastic utensil holder got successfully converted into a beautiful planter. So I hope you liked this video. In case you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.